Emma walked into a small cafe. "Good morning," she said cheerfully. "Good morning," replied the waiter. "How are you today?" "I'm great, thanks. How about you?" "I'm doing very well." "That's wonderful to hear." A young man entered quietly. "Hello, everyone," he smiled. "Hello," everyone answered together. The young man looked around. "Oh, hi, Emma." "Hi, Daniel. It's nice seeing you again." "It's nice seeing you too." "When did you arrive?" "Just 5 minutes ago." "What a lovely surprise." "I missed this cafe." "I missed our friendly talks." Emma laughed softly. "So did I." The waiter returned smiling. "What would you like?" "Just coffee, please." "I'll have tea." "Coming right up." "Thank you very much." "You're very welcome." Another friend entered suddenly. "Hey guys." "Hey Lily." "Good afternoon, everyone." "Good afternoon." "How's your day?" "It's going really well." "Mine is wonderful too." "I'm happy hearing that." Lily looked excited. "Everyone looks cheerful today." "Yes, it's a beautiful day." "The weather feels perfect." "I love sunny mornings." "Me too." The drinks arrived quickly. "Here you are." "Thank you." "My pleasure." Daniel took his coffee. "It smells amazing." Emma tasted her tea. "This tea is delicious." Lily smiled brightly. "I'll try that next time." The waiter nodded happily. "Excellent choice." A little boy entered. "Good evening," he shouted. Everyone laughed kindly. "Good evening." The boy looked confused. "Is it evening already?" Everyone smiled warmly. "Not yet." "It's still afternoon." "Oh, I forgot the time." "That's okay. It happens sometimes." The boy waved happily. "See you later." "See you later." "Take care." "You too." The cafe became quieter. Emma finished her tea. Daniel checked his watch. "I should leave now." "Already?" "Yes, I have class." "Good luck." "Thank you." "Have a great day." "You too." Lily stood up. "I should go home." "See you tomorrow." "See you tomorrow." "Bye." "Goodbye." Everyone smiled wanly. Friendly greetings made everyone happier. Simple words created wonderful moments. A greeting can brighten every day. So, never forget to smile and always greet people kindly. Now let's practice. Listen and guess what I say. Then repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? I'm great, thanks. I'm great, thanks. I'm great, thanks. I'm great, thanks. It's nice seeing you. It's nice seeing you. It's nice seeing you. It's nice seeing you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. 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 Great. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving with English Listening Lab. Subscribe now for more fun English listening lessons.